Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today I will be rescuing my Joseph's coat. I recently got this little guy at Lowe's, and I just love those colorful leaves. Look at that. Beautiful. Unfortunately, some of the leaves started falling off for some reason. It was then that I noticed those big roots coming out of the bottom. Big roots sticking out of the bottom and then leaves falling off. You know what that means. It's time to repot it. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started. Alright, looking good. It's gonna look beautiful in a couple weeks. If you are new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Do all you want, just engage with the algorithm. If you enjoyed this video, it is very appreciated. And now it's time for pro tips. So what causes leaf drop on a Joseph's coat plant? So after doing a bit of research, I actually found out that this problem is quite common. The main reason for this happening is, as expected, improper or incorrect care. There are 5 main reasons for why this happens, and I'm going to list them in order of most likely. Number 1, too much water. Number 2, too little water. Number 3, cold temperatures. Number 4, very low humidity. And number 5, not enough feed. That's all folks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.